Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is long overdue. I'm so sorry I procrastinated, but here you have it right now. So enjoy the video. I'm back with another tutorial, as you already know. Let's get into this video properly. Welcome back, guys. So my model today is my sister, and I'm going to be working with a very short natural hair. So the first thing I did was to blow dry her hair. I blow dry the hair so it can give me the level of straight hair that I need or that I want. And I'm going to start laying down her hair from the middle. I'm sectioning out a little portion from the middle side, and I'm just going to start the laying of the hair from there. So as you already know, I don't like talk too much in my videos because I want you to concentrate. Like, guys, watch and learn, full concentration. Okay, so I'm going to use the eco styling gel, and as this video continues, you're going to notice that the eco styling gel is leaving like some white residue or particles. Not really particles, I'll just call it like yeah, whitish effect kind of. And that's because the styling gel, the eco styling gel I'm using right now, contains coconut. So I didn't check until I got home, and I realized that there's actually coconut in it. But not to worry so much, we're going to get rid of it and you see. So just watch and learn. Don't forget to click the subscribe button if you're just joining this channel for the first time, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to my channel. Don't forget, I always want to read what you feel about each of my videos, so please drop a comment, like this video, and share to everybody that needs to learn how to slay their short natural hair without breaking the bank. I'll see you soon. Take care. So after getting my perfectly laid down hair, it's time to start creating my top knot bun or the ninja bun. I don't know, whichever one you call it. And I'm going to be working with this darling extension or darling braiding hair. Some people call it the braiding hair, and that is what I'm going to be using to create the top knot bun. In this video I used half pack of the extension, and guys, just watch how I'm going to create the magic. So you want to make sure that your braiding extension is properly secured to the hair or to your model or your client's hair. Now all I'm doing is, sorry the video is not fully showing, or what I'm doing is not fully showing. I didn't realize until after some minutes, but then I adjusted the camera. Just wait and you see. So I sectioned a little portion of the braiding hair out, can you see, from the remaining braiding hair, and that is what I'm going to be using to create my fringe in front. Some people call it bangs. So now I'm going to start twisting and rolling down the hair. You start from the top, you twist and roll down to the base of your ponytail, exactly how I'm doing it, and your top knot bun is ready to be served. Okay, now I'm just going to take out the little section of the hair that I did or that I made out from the same braiding extension, please don't forget, and I'm just going to use that to secure the base of the top knot bun once again, so I'm sure it's going to stand throughout and it's not going to be moving around on the client's edge. So after creating your top knot bun, it's time to start working on your fringe or your bangs in front. So now I'm just combing out the hair properly, detangling properly, so I don't have issues. Please watch as I'm creating this fringe, because it can be a little bit tricky. You just want to make sure you take your time to create it. So after carefully cutting your bangs in front, you want to make sure the straightener that you want to use or you're about to use is not hot, because you're working with a braiding extension, so it's not purely human hair. You have to be careful not to use a straightener that is so hot. So it's if your straightener does not have a regulator like mine, make sure immediately you turn on the straightener, wait for a few minutes, maybe not up to 5 minutes, and then switch it off. Wait for it to cool down a bit before you use it on the braiding extension, else your braiding extension is going to melt and you're going to ruin everything you've created. So please note, guys, do not use a straightener that is very hot. It's going to ruin everything. So just once you've done that, go in to add your finishing touches to your hair and you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for joining me once again. Please let me know what tutorial you want me to film next. Let me know what you want to see on this channel. Let me know if you'll be trying out this tutorial or this hairstyle. Let me know if it has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share. I love you, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. Bye guys.